Hello. Hanukkah is here a few weeks before the solstice. And Hanukkah is the festival of lights. And there's something so beautiful for those of us who are Jewish about each night the light grows more and more full if we sit by the menorah, and there's something that creates this atmosphere of warmth, of peace, of renewal. Something we need so much right now in this particular moment in our world. And coincidentally, the Hebrew name for light is Or, which is a gateway, is a key, the sound of that, into one of my favorite embodied Jewish meditation practices that you certainly don't need to be Jewish to enjoy. So sitting where you are, just as you are, right? Feeling your bottom on the chair you're sitting on, your feet on the floor. Feeling the sense of the shape of your body, the inner atmosphere of your body, the interplay in your mood and your awareness between light, brightness, spaciousness, and darkness, density, mystery. As your breath goes in, your breath goes out. Maybe imagining in the space around you, or literally you can, before you light a candle, and have a flame before you. And bring with that sense of that light everything that you might intend to want to cultivate for what that light represents to you. And breathing in, like you might do if you're Jewish with Shabbat candles, right? And breathing in the light, feeling your body expand, and on the out breath, first is a whisper, the sound of oh. And breathing in, feeling the expansion in the body, and you can bring your hand, one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly. To amplify that experience of the sensation in the body, breathing in. And then on the out breath, letting go with the quality of nice and soft, feeling the quality of receiving of the breath and of the contact with your hands. And then the in-breath and then the out-breath. And you can add some texture to your breath, some swirling of the, you can call it the breath of life, through your throat, in the tongue, feeling the vibration of that. And maybe adding a little gentle rocking. Breathing in and out. kind of feeling yourself moving back and forth between that place of receiving the breath, allowing, and offering out the exhale. Right. Making space within yourself to feel and bring comfort to any places that feel tension and distress. And breathing out, letting go and feeling yourself supported by the space around you. You can amplify the sound of or if you're so inclined, and even expand your arms into the space if you like, feeling that quality of what I'm going to call holy flame. What's the light? We've been talking so far about what you want to receive, but what's the light that you have to bring to the world? What's that particular portion of the light that only you carry to bring to the world as you? These are suggestions that you can make this practice your own. And then kind of letting the efforting of any kind fall away. And feel again your connection, your support, your contact with the earth below you, with the space around you, with the life force inside of you. And if you like, maybe imagine the light that you've cultivated and deepened shining out to the world around you, to particular people or groups of people, places in the world that could use that light, into your own path ahead of you in the hours and days ahead.